guys, if you're watching this, do not take offense to anything I say. They're just merely reviews. I'm not criticizing or anything. Just saying how the stuff you make tastes to me. Okay? Love you. What's up guys, it's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just see this beautiful face. My name is Rafea. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's video, I will be doing a mukbang or mukbang, whatever you guys call it, I know I look busted, but I just had to come in here and do a really quick mukbang for you guys. So forgive the look, and I hope you enjoy this video. Also, disclaimer, I just want to say, in this video, take no offense to anything I say. I am basically just going to taste test the stuff and give my honest reviews. No, sometimes reviews can sound like the person is criticizing, which in most cases that's not it, but let me just clear the air from now. I am just doing this quick little video with my review, which is basically my opinion of the stuff that I'm basically going to do a taste test on. So, without further ado, you sit back there and watch your foodie work. Now, if you didn't know, Popeyes wasn't everywhere in Jamaica. I was at like limited locations, a few locations. Now, one recently came into my hometown, which is Montego Bay, St. James, and I just decided to give it a try. I've had Popeyes. My first time eating Popeyes was overseas. The second time eating Popeyes was in Jamaica, but not in my hometown. It was by Nick Grill, and that was a long time ago. You get the gist. But yeah, one recently moved closer to my hometown, so I decided to try it out because the last time I had Popeyes was like some years back. Yeah, it was a few years back. What did I get? If you know me, you know that I'm an original foodie, so I got 3 pieces of strips, mild. I got red beans and rice, mashed potato and gravy, coleslaw, corn, and the sweet heat. That's a sauce. I got Sprite, fries, yeah, spicy chicken sandwich. So yep, that's all the stuff that I got. I bought a little bit of everything, so I know that sounds a lot, but it's technically not a lot. Not a lot, because they're all like regular or small, so it's not like big stuff. The only thing that is large is the drink, and I believe it only comes in this size. So yeah, I got Sprite, by the way. I'm a Sprite girl. I got the coleslaw. I got the beans and rice. I got the mashed potato with gravy, a sweet corn. I'm so excited to try this. It smells like KFC sweet corn. This is the strip. This is the this is the sauce, Sweet Heat. And we got some ketchup in here. That's it. The bag was just big, so don't come for me. It was not a lot of stuff. Okay, so let's get into it. Now I'm going to do the fries first, only because I was eating some. They're just like seasoned fries, so it's nice. It low-key tastes like Wendy's fries, but it's just like overly seasoned. It's really nice. My favorite fries is still Burger King fries. Period. So I am going to get into the chicken tenders only because I'm so excited to try this Sweet Heat sauce. Ooh. This is so good. Guys, the chicken tenders, bomb. I can see myself going to Popeyes to regular just to get their chicken tenders. The chicken, not dry at all. It is a bit spicy only because I think that I did order spicy. I ordered a spicy burst. It is spicy, but it's not dry, and that is how I love chicken. I love when fried chicken is not that dried out. It has a little bit of moisture in it, or a little tenderness in it. I love that for the chicken. Taste testing the sandwich or the burger. It's okay. Nothing really great about it. I think it's okay. And to the coleslaw, I am not really a fan of coleslaw, guys, but like I said, I just got I ordered a little bit of everything to do this mukbang / review or whatever. So the coleslaw, it is okay as well. coleslaw. It's like regular coleslaw. Onto the beans and rice. Guys, it smells. Now this I'm excited to try because not every day you hear about beans and rice. So I am going to get into it. It's okay. It's definitely not something that I am going to buy again or would look forward to get at Popeyes, but it's okay. On to the next thing, which is the mashed potato with the gravy. Smells good. It's okay. I like it. I really think this is going to taste just like the KFC sweet corn, but let's see. Yep. Just like the KFC sweet corn. I don't know if I'm exaggerating, but this type, it tastes a little bit different and it is hitting a little bit different. I don't want to rate the stuff because I don't want to discourage anyone from going there to get like a taste test. I'm just going to say what I would definitely look forward to going back to get. I am going to look forward to buying Popeyes chicken tenders. Definitely that's a must. Definitely get their chicken as well, not all the time but now and then. I'll definitely go to get the sandwich as well, the burger, Popeyes burger as well. I'll definitely go back to get it. I will definitely go back to get the mashed potato and gravy. It is nice, and of course their fries. Like I said, the fries is nice, it's okay. So I'll definitely go back to get those stuff. That is it from me in today's video. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms at AYAFARRR. That is IFR with 3 R's. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.